Are you gearing up to cross the skies but fear the dreaded jet lag? Well, gear up, because I've got the ultimate guide to beating jet lag and making every time zone your comfort zone. Jet lag happens when our internal clock, or circadian rhythm, gets all jumbled up from zooming across 3 or more time zones. But fear not, there are some game-changing tips to keep you sharp, no matter where your travels take you. Number 1, outsmart jet lag before you even start. If you're flying from New York to California, try tweaking your sleep schedule a few days ahead. Stay up a bit later, sleep in a little bit more, and get your body in tune with your destination's time zone. Next up, soak in the light. Light exposure helps your body clock adjust. Whether it's natural sunlight or a bright screen or well-timed light bath can signal your brain it's time to wake up or wind down, aligning with local time. Don't forget to hydrate. Swap out caffeine and cocktails for water to combat jet lag's dehydration. And for a final trick, melatonin. This hormone can help reset your sleep clock, especially when you're hopping from one side of the globe to the other. Just remember, it's not for daily use, but it's a jet setter's best friend for those time zone leaps. So, whether you're adventuring to the Alps or zipping through Zimbabwe, these tips are your passport to beating jet lag. Get your sleep schedule on track, bask in some light, stay hydrated, and consider melatonin for that extra edge. Tap the link in the bio to try Pillow tonight and find out more about your sleep. And don't forget to subscribe for more.